Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to change the audio in your video from mono to stereo. What does that mean? Well, mono means that you only hear the sound from one speaker, and stereo means that you hear it from both the speakers, usually in your headphone. For this, you need to go to this Fairlight page and then click on your audio track and right click on it and then click on this clip attributes. Here you can see the format is in mono. You can change it to stereo and then put one channel to channel 1 and the another to channel 2 and then click on OK. Now it should work fine. But if this still does not work, you can right click on it and then click on clip attributes, and then if you can only hear your sound in the left channel, which means channel 1, adjust both to channel 1 and then click on OK. If you can only hear your sound in the right channel and not in the left, then put both of these in channel 2 and click on OK. That should do it. Ideally this should be the format, but sometimes issues can occur.